Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube vlog, the story of my life. Today's vlog is all about I will be giving you guys a small home tour in Cambridge where I am currently living. I was getting like a lot of messages that how did you find a perfect place in Cambridge? Because I have been seeing that people are struggling to find places nowadays for renting, and it is definitely getting harder because rents are high and like lots of students are coming to Canada every year, and we're not able to find a perfect house for ourselves. So I wanted to guys give you a small tour to show you that how houses in Canada look like. So let's get started. So guys, today I am off my work and finally I get a day off and where I can start doing my vlogging for sure. It's a really bright sunny day, especially it's snowing in Canada after like almost it's 15 January and it's snowing finally. I can't imagine. We were like every Canadian was waiting for the snow from such a long time. It finally snowed. So I thought I have currently, if you remember, if you guys can go at my previous vlog, I told you guys that I have shifted from Kitchener to Cambridge because of my job. Everyone knows about that. So everyone was asking me on my Instagram DMs that Canada के घर कैसे लगते हैं अंदर से, how are they? So I thought, you know, why not give a tour inside of the house. So I'll be showing you this house, how it looks from inside, and then people who want to move to Cambridge, because it's like a myth, or maybe it's like लोगों ने बना दिया है कि Cambridge में घर बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं मिलते. People are saying that, how did you find a house in Cambridge? That is so great, because Cambridge is like a small town as compared to Kitchener and Waterloo. Kitchener and Waterloo में घर बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं. But in Cambridge too, there are really beautiful houses as well. But you guys have to figure them out. You guys can like see them on Marketplace, Facebook. Try to make contacts in Canada as much as you can. Ask your friends, your colleagues, maybe where you're working. So I'll give you a small tour of my house, and then you guys can let me know, do you like the place or not? So let's go. So guys, this is the main entrance where I enter the beautiful house, and outside view is stunning, but I think I have to go inside because it is extremely really cold, I must say. So this is the house, guys. And as you guys can see, there's a little pretty closet here to keep your shoes and your jackets, your winter coats. As you come, a beautiful mirror to see yourself. So here's the washroom. As you can see, this is the inside washroom. It's pretty beautiful in there. So guys, this is the basement, and mostly houses you can see everyone has basements here too. And this is the kitchen. I must say it's a really beautiful and a really neat and clean house. And when we rented this house, it was already furnished with the TV, sofas, everything. And I must say you get a beautiful out here. So guys, I'm gonna be taking you upstairs now. So you can see a beautiful view while going upstairs. छोटा सा मंदिर बनाया हुआ है. So it's like a 3-bedroom apartment. This room has been allotted to someone else. And this is bathroom where you get ta-da! Every person wants a bathtub in Canada. And this is the other washroom. This is my washroom where I use. This is laundry. This is the other room, which has been occupied by another person. And ta-da! This is my room. I'm sorry for the entire mess. I'm extremely very sorry for the entire mess that I have made in my room. But trust me, guys, if I'm gonna show you my closet, it's really neat and clean, because I'm a person who likes to keep things clean. But मेरा बेड नहीं बना, तो इससे ये मत सोचना कि मैं सब अपना सामान साफ सुथरे की तरह रखती नहीं हूँ. And this